Windows Update failed to install. You see the error code? You click Retry, and nothing happens. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix it, with over 10 proven solutions.
When Windows Update fails, you typically see an error message like Update failed to install, along with an error code. Common codes include 0QX800001, 0QX800012, 0QX80737112, 0QX800122, and 0XE190121. These can happen with security patches, feature updates, or driver updates.
Fix number 1. Restart your PC. This is the simplest fix, and it works more often than you think. A restart clears pending operations and releases file locks from previous failed update attempts. Just restart and try updating again.
Fix number 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, and click Run next to Windows Update. This built-in tool automatically detects and repairs common update problems. Fix number 3. Clear the Windows Update cache. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type netstop woo user to stop the update service. Then rename the software distribution folder, then restart the service with net start woo user. This forces Windows to download fresh update files. Fix number 4. Free up disk space. Windows needs at least 20 gigabytes of free space for 64-bit updates. Use Disk Cleanup or Storage Sense to remove temporary files in the old Windows Old folder, which can take up to 30 gigabytes. Check your C drive right now.
Fix number 5. Temporarily disable your antivirus. Third-party antivirus software can quarantine update files as false positives. Open your antivirus settings, pause real-time protection, run the update, and then immediately re-enable your protection afterward.
Fix number 6. Repair system files using DISM and SFC. This is the most powerful built-in repair tool. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. First, run DISM with the Restore Health option. This repairs the Windows Component Store, then run SFC/Scanow to repair all system files. This process can take 15 to 45 minutes.
Fix number 7. Reset all Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Stop the bit service. Stop the Windows Update service. Rename both Software Distribution and catroot2 folders with a backup extension. Then restart both services. This performs a complete reset of the update system.
Fix number 8. Download the update manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. Go to catalog-update.com. Search for the KB number that failed. Download the standalone MSU package for your system. Double-click to install it directly. This completely bypasses Windows Update.
Fix number 9. Perform a clean boot. Press Windows key +R, type msconfig, and press Enter. Go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Then go to the Startup tab, open Task Manager, and disable all startup items. Restart your PC and try the update again.
Fix number 10. Fix the System Reserved partition. If you see the error about the System Reserved partition, it means your boot partition is full. Open Disk Management. Check the System Reserved partition size. If it is under 500 megabytes, shrink your C drive and extend the System Reserved partition. This is a common issue with Windows 11 version 25H2.
Fix number 11. Perform an in-place upgrade. Download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft website. Mount it in File Explorer, run setup.exe, and choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. This repairs the entire Windows installation while preserving all your data.
Here is a quick reference for the most common error codes. 0x80A00700 fig. POEM means the update timed out. 0x800-73712 means the component store is corrupted. 0x8080922 means insufficient disk space. 0xC19001 means an incompatible driver. 0x 800704222 means the update service is disabled. Save this screen for reference.
So why do updates fail in the first place? The main causes are corrupted system files or update cache, low disk space, third-party antivirus blocking the process, Windows Update services being stopped, outdated drivers, and occasionally Microsoft releases a buggy update. In May 2025, KB 505-8405 caused corruption on virtual machines. In June 2026, cumulative updates failed with component store errors. To prevent future update failures, follow these 4 tips. First, keep at least 30 gigabytes of free space on your C drive. Second, update your network and display drivers regularly. Third, make sure your antivirus is compatible with the latest Windows version. And fourth, run SFC/Scano every few months to catch corruption early.
That covers all the major fixes for Windows Update failures. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What error code are you seeing? Let us know, and we will try to help.